Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a test at the Fortify Shine Armor, and we're just going to review it to see how well it works. This is a ceramic coating formula to apply on your paint to protect the paint. Now ideally it would be applied on a new car paint, and the surface area needs to be properly cleaned down, and make sure that the surface is nice and clean, ready for the application of the ceramic coating. So we're just going to give this a try. Now I purchased this one in Australia for $50, so you can get them on Amazon at a cheaper price in the US if you are staying in the US. So this one here you can simply just spray on. So we're going to spray on some on the surface that you want to protect, and then also we're going to spray on the microfiber cloth as well. Okay, so here we're going to spray on like this on the area that you want to work on, and then we're going to spray some on this one as well. And now stripping because we're not doing it fast enough, and then we need to just rub it like so. Just rub it on, and before it's dry we should kind of like turn over and wipe it off, and there it is. So I can feel the shines already, and I can feel it's quite smooth already, so it's quite amazing. It works really great so far. So let's just find out once I have finished, see if it actually works really well or not. Now on the bottle here in step 4 you can see it says work on glass, paint metal and plastic. So you can apply on the screen, on the windows glass, on a windscreen, on a plastic. So the instruction here says spray onto a clean damp cloth and onto the surface you are cleaning, so approximately 3 inch by 3 inch, and gently wipe the surface with first pre-wetted folded microfiber cloth, and then quickly switch to a clean folded dry microfiber cloth and buff off remaining haze before it dries. So we repeat this process until the entire vehicle is clean, streak free and ultra glossy. So I've done this part already, so I'm just going to try to get a focus on my hand, and it does seem like to be quite glossy and smooth. I don't know how long this gloss is going to last, but it's definitely feeling really smooth and glossy right here, and it's definitely feel like slippery once you apply this. So this part here is the part I haven't done. This part I've done it, and I can definitely feel the difference between here and here. Here is kind of like sticky, non-smooth, and this one here is smooth and it's quite gliding kind of feeling. So you put your hand in, it's kind of like glide down like water. So let's put some water on. We're going to test it out. So here we can apply it on plastic as well, or on glass. I'm just gonna wipe it. I'm just going to turn over on the dry side and give it a clean. So let's see how glossy it is. You can see here is the part where I haven't applied the gloss, and here is the part where I apply the gloss. Definitely there's a difference. So I have a bit left on the cloth here. Let me see if I can apply it on this part as well. So it feels smooth as well on the windows, on the glass here. Yes, on the glass it's also feel the same. It feels quite smooth, and this part here as well. This part here feel like quite nice and smooth. Okay, so let's try to spray on some water. And let's see if the water glide down quite smooth. Now I don't know how long you need to wait this. It doesn't say on the bottle how long you have to wait for it to dry. I assume as soon as you wipe it off, it would apply the coat immediately. So here's some water on. Now I'm just going to wipe it dry and see what happens when we wipe it dry. Let's see if the shine still maintained on the car. So I'm just trying to dry it off completely. Okay, so after putting some water on, it still feels shiny around this part here. And over here where I haven't applied the Fortify coating, it's still shiny, it's still quite smooth, but not as smooth as the part where I apply the Fortify coating. So yeah, I'm quite impressed. It's quite shiny. Look at this. Just gonna put my hand on so you can see how shiny it is. And this car paint condition is actually not in a really great shape, but after applying the Fortify coating, it does look a bit better. Not a lot better, but a little bit better. So yeah, I think this is quite good stuff. If you want to try it out, then yeah, give it a try and see if it actually works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.